Hello, this is an opening presentation for a course on stress management for early childhood educators. My name is Markeithias Wendell, and I am your instructional designer for this course. This course is hosted on the Canvas platform. When you click on the course, it goes to the home page. There's a welcome address for all future learners to the course. And the course is titled Stress Management for Early Childhood Professionals, and here's the welcome address. If you navigate to the announcements page, you will find an announcement stating, please introduce yourself. And the first announcement is from myself, the instructor. This would give the learners an opportunity to connect with others and to create a network of educators with similar experiences. Okay, and so we will navigate to the outcomes page and click on the stress management for early childhood professionals. And these are the stated outcomes for this course. Each has more detail under the outcome listed. So we'll just briefly go over the 4 outcomes. Outcome number 1, recognize the sources and signs of stress. Outcome number 2, understand the impact of caregiver stress on children and relationships. Outcome number 3, apply practical stress management and coping techniques. Outcome number 4, develop and implement a personalized self-care and resilience plan. So we have the modules. If we navigate to the modules, we'll find our first module. Collapse all and just look under module 1. Recognize the source and signs of stress. We have the first lesson as the signs of stress. It's an animation. And under that, there is creating a resilient workplace culture. That is a discussion. And following that is lesson 1 assignment, identifying your stressors. These activities give the learner the opportunity to participate with the course and also have an open discussion with other learners in identifying their stressors and proper workplace culture when it comes to stress management. This course is designed to create interest for the learner and give them the opportunity to discuss the new information with other learners. I created this course for working adults, and the approach that I'm using is the asynchronously online approach. This offers the flexibility needed for the working, busy childcare professional. Thank you.